let's talk about the additional terms related to the eye. Anisocoria is a condition in which the two pupils are not of equal size. Cataract. It is the partial or total opacity of the crystalline lines of the eye. Glaucoma. It is a disease of the eye in which pressure within the eyeball damages the optic disc, impairing vision, sometimes progressing to blindness. Rhodiola, a medical name for a style of the eye. Hyperopia. It is the inability to see near objects clearly because the images received by the eye are focused behind the retina. Myopia. It is a visual defect in which distant objects appear blurred because their images are focused in front of the retina rather than on it. Nystagmus. It means rapid, involuntary, rhythmic movements of the eyeball. Retinal detachment. It means separation of the retina from its underlying layer. Scotoma. An area of diminished vision within the visual field. Strabismus. It is an abnormal alignment of one or both eyes, characterized by a turning inwards or outwards from the nose, thus preventing parallel vision. Synechia. Adhesion of the iris to the lens and cornea. Trachoma. It is a chronic contagious disease of the eye, characterized by inflammation of the conjunctiva and cornea and the formation of scar tissue. Miosis. It is excessive contraction of the pupil of the eye. Mydriasis. It is an abnormal dilation of the pupil of the eye. Lacrimation. It means shedding tears. Oculist. It is a doctor who examines and treats people's eyes. Now it is the additional terms related to the ear. The first one, acoustic neuroma. It is a benign brain tumor of the nerve connecting the ear to the brain, which can cause hearing and balance problems. Presbycusis. It refers to loss of hearing caused by aging. Vertigo. It is a feeling of sickness and dizziness. Tinnitus. It is a ringing, hissing, or booming sensation in one or both ears. Hearing aid is a device which people with hearing difficulties wear in their ear to enable them to hear better. Otology. It is the science of the ear and its diseases. Audiologist. It is a specialist who studies hearing disorders. Otologist is a physician who specializes in the ear and its diseases. Otorhinolaryngologist. It is a specialist in the disorders of the ear or nose or throat. Now let's move to an interesting part, a legend related to the organs. Labyrinth. In Greek mythology, The labyrinth was a fiendishly intricate maze that was designed and built by the legendary artificer Daedalus for King Minos of Crete to house the Minotaur, which was half man and half bull. Daedalus had made the labyrinth so cunningly that he himself could barely escape it, but Theseus did it. Theseus volunteered to kill the Minotaur. Once on Crete, he attracted the attention of Minos' daughter, Ariadne, who fell in love with him and secretly gave him a bow of twine. Upon entering the labyrinth, Theseus tied one end of the string to the door and continued into the maze. He found the Minotaur in the furthest corner of the labyrinth and killed him. With the help of the string, he found his way out of the labyrinth and sailed off from Crete with Ariadne. In humans' inner ear, there is a group of complex interconnecting bony cavities and membranous part, also called labyrinth. Thank you very much.